Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. In for a treat. I'm going to cook a mutton chop curry, one of my favourite dishes, and it's going to be very simple to cook as well. Make sure you get a good quality chops for this. Best place to buy them would be your local halal shop or your Indian grocer. They will sell mutton chops. You can use goat chops as well if you can get them, but first we're going to do is basically find yourself a shallow saucepan like I have here, and what we're going to do is fry the chops so they're nicely caramelized on both sides before we start this process. This will intensify the flavor of the chops as well and also give it a nice texture. This is cooking really nicely now, as you can see. It's browning lovely on one side. Try not to move them too much. Let it brown on one side, then turn it over. It makes life much easier. This is the process we need to do before we put our onions in, and then basically cook it under low heat for a good 80 minutes. Maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more, depending on how soft you want the meat. how we're going to remove the tomato skin. As you can see, this is the best way you can remove the skin without having any skin in your curry. So once we've done this, we're going to bring this to the boil, and then we're going to turn it right down and cook for 18 minutes and stir in every 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring it doesn't burn. Keep your eye on it, we don't want anything to burn here. So this is my chopped curry, and it is absolutely a lovely dish. You must try this. It takes a little bit of effort. In total, probably about hour and 40 minutes has taken me to cook this dish. So I hope you enjoy this dish, and let me know in the comments what you think. And I can assure you, once you've tasted this curry, you'll cook it time after time, and share it with your friends as well. So remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you get notified when I post new recipes with dishes like this. So anyway, goodbye for now, and see you soon.